I will explain you a plan where you can make 20,000 per month with the investment of just 1 lakh rupees only. Okay, so for this what you have to do is you have to trade in niftybees. Okay, and it's very simple plan. So what you have to do is, if you have 1 lakh capital, okay, and right now the niftybees of nifty 50 is trading around 200, so you get 500 quantity. Okay, so if you get 500 quantity, and all you have to do is aim for only 2 points target, and you can make up to 1000 per day. Okay, so if you make 1000 per day, and let's assume in a month you get 20 accurate trades, then you can make up to 20,000 per day. And now you may ask that, is this intraday trading? No, it's not intraday trading. You can buy today and sell it whenever you wish for. Okay, let's say that you bought it today, and if it has not gone 2 points up, you can still hold and you can sell it day after tomorrow or anytime when the nifty bees comes up. Okay, so this is one of the safest method to trade. And also, if you have more capital, you can make more profit on this, or if you have less capital, you can make less profit on this also. So if you're having 50,000 capital, you can start with 50,000 rupees capital as well. So this is a very simple and easy trading plan for a beginners, or if you are not having much of a knowledge in selecting the stock, or you don't know what to trade, then you can trade on niftybees, and easily it will give you 2 to 3 points movement every day. And in that, if you safely capture 1.5 to 2 points, then it is more than enough for a safest trading site. Okay, and if you guys want to learn how to capture this kind of movements in trading, or if you want to learn how to make consistent profit in intraday trading, you can message me now on the WhatsApp number displayed on the screen to get in touch with me. And also you can just click on my channel logo and go inside my channel and watch all the daily live trades what I've uploaded, and a lot of educational videos. So if you guys wish to earn consistent profit like this in intraday trading, you can join us today.